Okay, this you can do in two ways. Method one, I will use so-called power rule. So use power rule. What is the power rule? Well, I need to see this fact that 4 over root x is the same thing as 4 over x to the power half, and that is same as 4 x to the power negative half. Now that you know that g prime of x is the derivative of 4 x to the power negative half, constant multiple rule says that this is d 4 times d dx of x to the power negative half. And then over there, this is called constant multiple rule. And then you use power rule, which will tell you that the derivative of x to the power negative half is negative half times x to the power negative half 1 less. And well, that will give me 4 times negative half is negative 2 times x to the power negative 3 over 2. So that is power rule. That's method one. Method two is use a quotient law, a quotient rule, sorry. It says that, okay, the derivative of a quotient is given by this. You have to find the derivative of the numerator times the denominator itself minus numerator itself times the derivative of the denominator over the denominator squared. Okay? And from there, you see derivative of 4, this is constant. Derivative of constant is always 0. 0 times root x minus 4. Derivative of root x or derivative of x to the power half is half x to the power half minus 1. And then root x squared is just x. So the first part is 0, so I won't write it. Minus x times half, this is negative 2. And then x to the power negative half, there's also x there. I can bring that x up. So this is negative x to the power negative half times x to the power negative 1. Because if you bring something from the denominator to numerator or the other way around, you have to multiply its power by negative. So then you have negative 2x to the power negative half minus 1, which is negative 2x to the power negative 3 over 2, which is the same thing. And we have the result here.